Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful 4-bedroom, south-facing split-level property in Retreat Heights, Trelawny. The property is surrounded by other individual, yet beautifully designed family homes that complement the surrounding area. The property is spacious and sits on 11,237 square feet plot, providing approximately 2,600 square feet of living space. Some features includes water heater, nicely laid out kitchen, wooden stairway, high ceilings, and much more. The entrance to Retreat Heights is served by the A1 highway. This is located opposite the idyllic white sandy Burwood Beach, a stone throw from the famous glistening waters of Luminous Lagoon, 32 kilometers from Martha Brae River, with bamboo rafting facilities. Excellent Oyster Bay, Royalton Blue Waters, and Ocean Eden Bay, to name a few of the nearby resorts. It is also in close proximity to Falmouth Town and easy access to the Montego Bay's airport, which is 30 minutes away. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 440,000 or Jamaican $67.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.